Okay, y'all. As y'all know, it's supposed to be snowing over in the night. I got some spicy chicken patties. Let me see. I'm getting bad at these. Yeah. Y'all, I already got some stuff to take out to the homeless people at the house. I already got it together, so when I get back home, I'm just gonna go ahead on and take it on out there. See, I might get a bag of this. No, I don't want this. Come on. I'm in licks. They got everything, y'all. But I'm just going over here. I'm going where the food is. Come on, let's go where the food is. Yeah. I already got some plates. I think I already got some fries and stuff. You can buy your bag of candy. You can buy your bag of candy. I'm gonna have to hurry your job because I gotta get on that. Okay. Here go these donuts. Hey, Ty. Let me have it. Tyrisha. I ain't got time to worry with her. I'm gonna let her go ahead on, baby, because for some reason I'm gonna let her do her. I'm gonna go and do me. I'll set it over there. She like them. I'll get some of them for the house. I'm gonna get some more so I can. I got a box of these right here for the homeless, y'all. These donuts. Get a bag of these right here. I like these. Look at this. Let me get one of these right here. Let's go on this side over here and get the boxes of cheeseburger. I already got the homeless food set up in the bags already at the house. I'm just gonna go back home. Stay down this way. Okay. I'm just gonna go back home and go home. Certain little spots and pass it out to whoever I see. Yeah, we fine. How you doing? No, we came the wrong way. It's not just, it's down here. I'm looking for y'all cheeseburgers and now the angle burgers, angle cheeseburgers in the box. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna come back. I think I already been down there. I'm gonna get a box of these here. Box of these. I gotta hurry up, y'all. I gotta go. They ain't got no big chocolate milk. What they say?
I don't know what the date is on all this because see the milk people are all running behind.
Okay.
Stuff like that. And I don't have any pressure.
Yeah, we probably have to go. I don't know.
That's the 9th.
Yeah.
That's the date.
Yeah, I'm finna go to another store. I'm finna go on another store. I'm just gonna go on another store. I hope they got some milk. Okay, y'all, I'm finna get ready to get out of here. I'm finna get out of here. I just can't stay in no one spot too long. Sorry that I'm just not showing y'all everything the way that I supposed to, but you know, I got to get out of here. I'll grab one of these right here, these Fagos. Grab one of those. Thank you.